hear that high-pitched squeal every time you hit the brakes. It's not just annoying. It's your car trying to tell you something important. So, what's causing that racket? Is it your brake pads or your rotors? Let's figure it out. Most of the time, that squealing is a built-in safety feature. Your brake pads have a tiny metal tab called a wear indicator. When the pad material gets too thin, this tab scrapes against the rotor, making that sound on purpose. It's your car's way of saying, "Hey, I need new brake pads soon." But if you've ignored it for a while, the problem could be worse. Damaged or warped rotors can also cause squealing, often along with a grinding noise or a vibrating feeling in the pedal. Don't put it off. A quick check can save you from a much bigger, more expensive repair down the road. Stay safe out there. Thanks for watching.